Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been in a pinch just waiting for that payday to roll around, you know how stressful that can be. This video is going to make sure that you don't have anything to worry because I've got you covered. Today we're going to be diving into the 7 best cash advance apps for 2024 that'll help you get access to your money when you need it most. So whether you're looking for low fees, maybe just instant transfers, or even flexible repayment options, these apps can definitely be lifesavers just for your finances in general. So without me talking any further, let's jump right in and let's just find out which apps could be the perfect fit for you. Now, remember, this is a very brief overview. We might be doing a video specifically in the future for each platform that's going to go much more in depth. This video today is to just make you aware of the several different options you have, but you'll definitely need to do more exploring yourself to know for sure if one of these options is going to be best for you. All right, let's get right into it. So the first popular personal finance app and one that provides a cash advance opportunity is Empower. Now, Empower is definitely best for user experience. Empower provides 2 main features, cash advances and credit lines. The cash advance feature is definitely similar to Bridget, which I will mention later on in this list, but you can borrow up to $300 with no credit check required. It's a great option for those with unexpected expenses. Empower also offers a credit line of up to $1,000, so this can be helpful for maybe some larger purchases or to just help you build credit. Now, what I want you to keep in mind is that, and it's important to note, is that the APR is 35.99%. So while Empower is definitely a convenient option, it's something that you need to make sure you're considering the associated costs with it. And if you're going to use that credit line, make sure you can pay it off promptly just so you can avoid that high interest charge. So there you have it. There's some basics with Empower. All right, so another popular personal finance app for cash advance is Earnin. So from what we could find, Earnin is best for hourly workers. Let's see what it's all about. So Earnin lets you access your earned wages before payday. Really be a lifesaver for those unexpected expenses that hit before your next paycheck. So the good news about Earnin is that they do not charge mandatory fees. But with that said, it does encourage users to have a tip for their service. So while it's convenient to access your earned wages early, definitely not a substitute for a solid budget. All right, next up is the Albert app. Let's see how this stacks up. Albert focuses on helping users manage their finances and avoid unnecessary fees. It offers features like budgeting tools, early access to your paycheck with limitations, and even helps identify ways to save money on recurring bills. So here's a key difference compared to some of the other apps. Albert doesn't offer traditional cash advances. Instead, it focuses on helping you manage your existing income. There is a monthly subscription fee for Albert, but it does come with a free trial period, so you can test it out and really see if it fits your needs before you commit. Now, overall, Albert is a good option for those who want to try to improve their budgeting and avoid unnecessary bank charges. But I do want to mention, if you're looking for a quick cash advance, Albert might not be the best fit. All right, next is Bridget, which is an app you may have heard of. Bridget positions itself as a financial cheerleader, offering a variety of tools to help you manage your money. And one of its key features is the cash advance, which we're talking a lot about today. Bridget can send you up to $250 straight to your bank account with no credit check, no interest, and no late fees. This is definitely a safety net for those unexpected expenses. Now, Bridget also offers features like budgeting tools, credit score monitoring, and even side hustle opportunities. Now, the one drawback is that there is a monthly subscription fee for the access to these features. Bridget is a good option for those who want that safety net for unexpected expenses and additional financial tools that we talked about, but remember to factor in the monthly subscription fee when deciding if it's right for you. All right, the next app we'll explore today is Current. Now, Current is best for spending. This one's a bit different. It's a mobile-only banking platform, not just an app. And what Current does is they focus on providing a very transparent and affordable banking experience. It offers a checking account with a debit card, perfect for everyday banking needs. Current operates solely through its mobile app, There are no physical branches, so this might not be ideal for everyone, especially for those who are going to prefer in-person banking interactions. But the good news, Current doesn't charge any monthly maintenance fees or hidden charges. It also offers features like instant overdraft notifications to help you avoid unnecessary fees. Definitely going to be a good option for those who are, more comfortable with mobile banking and are going to prioritize transparency and, affordability. Just one thing you need to consider is if you need the convenience of physical branches, Current might not be the best fit. All right, next is an app called Dave. This popular app offers a range of financial tools to help you manage your money. We found this app to be best for overdraft protection. And of course, one of Dave's key features is its cash advance. So it's definitely a helpful buffer for those tight spots between paychecks. Dave also has features like budgeting tools, it has a credit builder tools, and even side hustle opportunities to help you boost your income. Dave does have a monthly subscription fee, although it is a little bit lower than other ones. However, it's important to factor in those costs anytime you're making these decisions. So overall, Dave is a good option for those who really are looking for a safety net and additional financial tools. Just remember the monthly subscription fee and compare it to other apps before you're definitely going to be sold on this one. Wrapping up our apps for cash advances is MoneyLion. More specifically, MoneyLion Instant Cash. The MoneyLion Instant Cash, this feature falls under the umbrella of the broader MoneyLion app, which offers a suite of financial tools. Main draw is its cash advance option. Similar to other apps that we've discussed, it allows you access up to $250 deposited directly into your bank account. No credit check, interest, or late fees involved, which could be a potential lifesaver for any unexpected costs you may have. So the MoneyLion app offers additional features like budgeting tools, credit building resources, and even investment options, but there's a monthly subscription fee to access all of these features. You're definitely going to want to consider how much you utilize these additional features to see if the monthly fee justifies the value for you. All right, everyone, we've explored a bunch of cash advance apps today. Let's recap the key takeaways. We've looked at Bridget, Earnin, Empower, Albert, Current, Drive, and MoneyLion. Each app offers very unique features, but they all have one thing in common. They can be a lifesaver when you need a quick cash boost. Remember, most of these apps offer cash advances with no credit check, interest, or late fees. However, there are some limitations and fees to be aware of, like subscription costs or even express transfer fees. You're going to want to look at the features. Do you want budgeting tools, credit building resources, even investment options? You want to consider the fees. Are there any monthly subscription fees or hidden charges? You're going to also want to consider cash advance amounts. How much do you want to borrow? And finally, you're going to want to make sure you're looking at the ease of use. Is the app user-friendly and is it easy to navigate? So the best app for you depends on your individual needs and really just your preferences. If you're looking for a comprehensive financial toolkit, Bridget or MoneyLion might be a good fit for you. For those who just need a quick cash advance, Earnin or Dave could definitely be helpful. And if you prioritize transparency and affordability, Current might be your best bet. Now, hear me carefully. Remember, cash advances should be used responsibly. They can be a lifesaver in a pinch, but they're not a long-term solution for any financial problem. Always try to budget wisely and avoid relying on cash advances as a primary source of income. Thank you so much for watching today. Subscribe to The Modest Wallet for more personal finance, and I'll see you in the next video.